This time, her nose detects more than just ants. Not that it stops her. She won't attack the lizards, but the reptile family feels safer giving those prickles a wide berth. Her spikes become more dangerous when she activates them. Even Australia's top predator, the dingo, can do nothing to damage this oddball. She contracts a layer of muscle beneath her skin to roll up and force her spines erect. These efficient pack hunters, capable of pulling down a buffalo, withdraw in frustration with this thorny customer. But the spiny anteater's greatest defense mechanism is her ability to breathe through fire. Furious bushfires regularly sweep across Australia, killing anything in their wake. Unable to outrun the blaze, the spiny anteater digs herself out of danger. She remains underground till the fire burns out. Her secret? She enters a mini hibernation and lowers her metabolism so she can breathe, despite the crazy low oxygen and toxic carbon dioxide levels during a fire.
The samurai scouts bring news that there's an army on its way. They rally the troops. But it's too late. The Bamboo Battalion is on them. The Rock Samurais are ambushed at their own entrance. When times are tough, giant killer hornets turn on their own kind. It's like on like. Giant on giant. Claws, stingers, and mandibles. All weapons deployed, and heads will roll. Disabling the enemy is the primary strategy. Beheading and severing limbs, the mandibles are the ultimate weapon of war. It's impossible to determine who's winning until the pillaging starts. The marauding bamboo giants enter the fortress. They've conquered the Rock Samurais, and they've struck gold.